Wait, did you feel that?
Yes.
Jasmine, stay with me!
Jason, I'm scared! Everyone stay together! Noah, don't let go of my hand!
Everyone, stay in the open area!
Noah, hold my hand! Keep moving close to me!
Stay calm! Help is almost...
Wow! Los Angeles is beautiful!
This is gonna be such a fun day.
Let's stay together and enjoy our family day.
Yes, everyone. Let's have a wonderful time. I love this place.
Me too.
Today is perfect. I'm so happy we're all together.
Let's enjoy this beautiful family day. Wait, did you feel that?
Yes. What was that?
Everyone stay close. Don't panic.
Noah, stay right beside me.
Jasmine, stay with me!
Jason, I'm scared! Everyone stay together! Noah, don't let go of my hand!
Everyone stay together. Let's move to a safe place.
Noah, stay close to us. Dad, I'll stay with you.
Everyone, stay in the open area!
Noah, hold my hand! Keep moving close to me!
Stay calm! Help is almost here!
Mommy! Please wake up.
Don't worry, Noah. You're safe with us.
Help is coming. Stay calm.
Sarah, we're right here with you. Please help my mother. She needs help. Don't worry. We'll help her. Please hurry! Take me to her. Take me to her. You're safe now. We'll stay with you.
Thank you for helping us.
Noah, we're safe together.
I'm glad you came.
I'm here.
Mommy!
Thank God you're okay. We were so worried about you.
We're together. That's what matters most. I'm so grateful you're all safe.
We'll always protect each other.
Something dangerous happens, stay calm and stay together.
I understand, Dad. Safety always comes first.
And always listen to people who are trying to help.
We'll remember that.
I'm thankful for my family. Stay together.
We'll always be here for you.
Family is the greatest gift. If you enjoyed this story, please like and subscribe for more videos.